Welcome back to the future of hiring. My name is Katie and I work at Snagajob, the #1 spot hourly workers go to find jobs. Today we are going to help you answer one question. How are you going to stand out from the crowd when more than 30 million people are searching for a job? And the answer, marketing yourself. So what does that mean exactly? Marketing yourself is the way that you present and promote yourself to the world. We have 2 easy steps that are going to help you. The first and most important, what are people going to find when they search for you online? The moment your job application lands in someone's hands, you have got to expect that they are going to search for you. Now, when someone Googles you or looks you up on social media, what are they looking at? The #1 tip that we can give you is to make your social media profiles private. The last thing that you want to do is ruin your shot at a job before you've even had a chance to go in for an interview. The second thing you need to do is create your elevator speech. An elevator speech is a 1-minute prepared speech that you can give to anyone that explains why you're unique and what you're going for. You need 3 things: who you are, what you do, and what you're trying to accomplish. Spend some time thinking about what makes you you. What are your strengths? What are your passions? What are your goals? To make this easy, you can go ahead and ask friends and family members to give you a few adjectives that describe you. Next, do your research. Head to Snagajob to view sample job descriptions. All you need to do is search for the role and a few examples will pop up. Once you have this list of the skills that you need, write them out, do what you need to do to get them down. Now, which of these skills do you have? Focus on those. For example, if I was looking for a job as a waiter and I knew that 2 of my strongest skills are that I am organized and outgoing, and I know that 2 of the top skills for being a waiter are having strong multitasking and people skills, I'm going to combine those to be able to tell a great story for why I am the perfect fit for this position. Here's an example. Hi, I'm Katie. I'm a part-time student and have spent the last 1.5 years working in restaurants. I've always been a people person. Friends and family constantly describe me as friendly and outgoing. I have a strong track record of multitasking and staying organized. I've worked on both of these skills as a student and my work as a hostess. I'm excited for the opportunity to bring my passion for working with people together with my skills to work as a waiter. If you don't have previous work experience, don't worry. Use examples of what you do have. From school, sports, volunteer work, what you choose to do in your free time, make use of what you have. Putting this together is gonna take some time. Say it out loud. Grab a friend and practice saying it to them. You're gonna wanna work on this until it flows naturally. So you've cleaned up your digital presence and you've created your elevator pitch. Now we're gonna help you find the job that you wanna apply for. Stay tuned. Next week, we're gonna be going over the top things you can be doing right now to get ready. In the meantime, head over to Snagajob and start working on your resume. When you sign up for an account with Snagajob and give us your information, we actually create your resume for you. So what are you waiting for? Don't forget to subscribe below and stay tuned for next week's episode.